Welcome to Classic Car Challenge. Today we're heading back to the fabulous 1950s. You'll face 20 legendary classic cars from one of the most iconic decades in automotive history. Can you identify them all and earn the title of Classic Car Legend? Let's begin.
Here's your first challenge. Can you identify this classic before the answers appear? The correct answer is 1958 Chevrolet Impala. Great start if you got that one right. Here's a fun fact. The Impala debuted in 1958 as Chevrolet's new top-of-the-line model and quickly became one of America's most recognizable classics. Let's keep going.
Do you recognize this exclusive American classic car? The correct answer is 1957 Continental Mark II. Nice catch if you got that one. Did you know the hand-built Mark II was one of America's most expensive cars, with a price approaching $10,000 when new? Ready for the next challenge? Think you know this rare luxury classic? The correct answer is 1954 Packard Pacific. That was a tough one. Believe it or not, the Pacific was offered for just one model year, making it one of Packard's rarer hardtop models of the 1950s. Let's move on. Can you name this late 1950s American favorite? The correct answer is 1958 Ford Fairlane 500. Excellent if you recognize that one. Here's what made it special. The Fairlane 500 sat near the top of Ford's 1958 lineup and could even be ordered with the new Big Block 352 V8. One more to go. Can you identify this unmistakable luxury icon? The correct answer is 1959 Cadillac Series 62. Outstanding if you got that one right. Did you know Cadillac's famous tail fins reached their most dramatic form in 1959, creating one of the defining designs of the entire decade? Nice work! Round one is complete. If you're enjoying the challenge, be sure to subscribe for more classic car challenges. Now, let's start round two. Can you identify this car before the full image is uncovered? The correct answer is 1957 Plymouth Belvedere. Impressive if you spotted it early. Did you know the redesigned 1957 Belvedere showcased Virgil Exner's dramatic forward look, complete with lower proportions and soaring tail fins? Here's your next challenge. Do you recognize this rare European classic before it's fully revealed? The correct answer is
1952 Ferrari 212 Inter. Nice work if you recognized it. Here's a fun fact. The 212 Inter was one of Ferrari's early road-going Grand Tours, combining a Colombo V12 with coach-built Italian bodywork. Keep it going. Can you identify this family cruiser before the image is complete? The correct answer is 1958 Oldsmobile 88 Fiesta wagon. Whew, that one wasn't easy. Believe it or not, the Fiesta combined the practicality of a family wagon with Oldsmobile's powerful Rocket V8. Here's another hidden classic. Can you recognize this car before the full image appears? The correct answer is 1954 Pontiac Chieftain. Excellent eye if you spotted it early. Did you know? The Chieftain was Pontiac's entry-level model in 1954 and could be ordered with the brand's long-running straight-8 engine. Let's finish round 2 strong. Can you identify this elegant Grand Tour before the cover disappears? The correct answer is 1953 Bentley R-Type. A strong finish to round 2. Here's what made it special. The R-Type Continental version became one of the fastest 4-seat cars of its era and remains one of the most celebrated post-war Bentleys. Halfway there. Now things get even more challenging. Let's move on to round 3. Let's zoom in on the next one. Can you identify this classic from a single detail? The correct answer is 1951 Mercedes-Benz 220. Great eye if you spotted it that early. Here's a fun fact. The 220 introduced a new 6-cylinder engine and helped Mercedes-Benz rebuild its reputation for refined luxury after World War II. Let's take a closer look at another one. Think you know this one from just a small detail? The correct answer is 1952 Buick Series 50. Nice work if you recognized it. Did you know Buick's distinctive venti ports had already become a signature styling feature by the early 1950s? Let's zoom in on another classic. Can you recognize it before the camera zooms out? The correct answer is 1957 DeSoto Fire Sweep. That wasn't an easy one. Believe it or not, the Fire Sweep debuted in 1957 as DeSoto's entry-level model, combining Dodge-based engineering with DeSoto's dramatic forward-look styling. Take a close look at this one. Can you identify it before the full car is revealed? The correct answer is 1951 Oldsmobile 98. Excellent if you recognized it. Here's what made it special. The 98 was Oldsmobile's flagship model,
combining upscale appointments with the company's powerful Rocket V8.
Let's finish round 3 with one final close-up. Can you finish this round with another correct answer? The correct answer is 1956 Imperial Southampton. Fantastic finish! Did you know, for 1955, Imperial became a separate luxury mark within Chrysler Corporation, positioning it directly against Cadillac and Lincoln. You've relied on your eyes so far. Now, they won't help you. Welcome to the final round, the Sound Challenge. Here's your first sound challenge. Can you identify this classic just by its engine sound? The correct answer is 1956 Lincoln Premier. Great start if you recognize that one. Did you know the Premier debuted in 1956 as Lincoln's new flagship and came with a 368 cubic inch V8 producing 285 horsepower? Let's hear another one. Can you recognize this V8 before the answers appear? The correct answer is 1955 Mercury Montclair. Excellent if you got it right. Here's a fun fact. The Montclair debuted in 1955 as Mercury's premium model and featured V8 power as standard equipment. Let's keep listening. Think you know this performance sedan? The correct answer is 1957 Rambler Rebel. That wasn't an easy one. Believe it or not, its powerful V8 made the Rebel one of America's quickest sedans of 1957 and earned it a reputation as an early muscle car. Here's your next sound challenge. Can you identify this luxury cruiser by sound alone? Correct answer is 1950 Lincoln Cosmopolitan. Nice work if you recognized it. Did you know the Cosmopolitan sat at the top of Lincoln's lineup and was powered by a large flathead V8? This is your final challenge. Can you finish today's challenge with one last correct answer? The correct answer is 1955 Chrysler New Yorker. Fantastic finish if you got that one right. Here's what made it special. Its firepower Hemi V8 produced 250 horsepower, giving the New Yorker impressive performance for a full-size luxury car of the era. That's the end of today's challenge. How many points did you score? Leave your score in the comments using the format on your screen.
And tell us which classic car you'd like to see in the next challenge. Thanks for playing! We'll see you in the next video.